University of Iowa has pioneered space exploration, beginning with the first American-made space probe, Explorer-1. For over half a century, Iowa professors, research staff, and students have strived to reach beyond our terrestrial environment and understand the final frontier. One professor continuing this legacy of space exploration is experimental space plasma physicist Dr. Jasper Halekas.
My research is in the area of space physics, primarily focuses on the solar wind, which is a flow of hot gas or plasma which streams out from the sun at about 1 million miles an hour. So we make measurements in situ of the solar wind as it's accelerated and then as it flows out and as it interacts with the moon, with the Earth, Mars, and other planets.
Dr. Halekas is involved with numerous NASA projects to understand the fascinating plasma physics that occurs around the Earth, to the Moon, Mars, and the Sun. One such project in development includes the TRACERS mission, led by fellow Iowa physicist Dr. Craig Klegsing.
What TRACERS is looking at is how the solar wind interacts with the terrestrial environment. I'm in charge of building the electron sensors for that mission.
Other exciting projects include Lunar VERTEX, HELIO SWARM, MAVEN, and Parker's Solar Probe.
MAVEN is orbiting Mars. MAVEN stands for Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution, and that's what we're studying, trying to understand how Mars went from what we think was a warmer, wetter climate earlier in the solar system to a cold, dry desert right now.
Dr. Halekas mentors, guides, and instructs students, many in class and few as his research assistants.
When I took Professor Halekas's Astrophysical and Space Plasma course, I noticed that he challenged us in an encouraging way. He presents intricate material in lectures that are very accessible. And he likes to conclude courses with a project of your choosing. That's really useful because if you spend a month digging into something that you're interested in, then your understanding of the material will be taken to the next level.
Well, from my perspective, the University of Iowa is a really great place for students. It's one of the few places in the country that you can come and really get directly involved in the cutting edge of space research. The students are already involved with TRACERS. We have students that are helping us out right now on designing some of the initial technology, getting the parts that we need to put on specific circuit boards and helping us with things like that. In the future, when we start getting the data back, though, the students will probably take the lead on doing the science and analyzing the data, turning it from raw counts into science products and understanding what it's telling us about the environment.